will go chapter by chapter, a subtopic by subtopic. The first subtopic that I'm going to focus today will be kalau kamu tengok, the role of water. The role of water. Do you think, guys, water is important in acid and base situation? Do you think water is important? The H2O. Penting ke tak penting air dalam dia acid and base? Penting ke tak? Yes. Yeah, it is very important. Guys, you must always remember with the presence of water, dengan kehadiran air, anak-anak sekalian, dengan kehadiran air, dia akan menyebabkan acid atau alkaline ionize, mengion. Okay, mengion. Dia mengion. Mengion dalam bahasa yang lebih senang, in English, it ionize. Bermaksud dia pecah. Ionize stand for it break. Dia pecah jadi apa? Dia akan pecah. Let's look over here, my dear student. Saya akan letak this one. Sekejap, Okay, you must always remember dia akan pecah and also get ready. Those yang dah print, baguslah. Siapa yang tak print, then you better tulis, ya. Dia akan pecah if it is an acid, my dear student. If it is an acid, then you akan jadi H+. Dia mengion dan jadi H+. It ionize and become H+. Understand or not? Amirul, understand or not? Syeramia. Semua diam, tak nak jadi popular. Very good. Korang patut bercakap sebab saya akan letak benda ni dekat YouTube saya. Suara kamu akan didengari oleh satu dunia. Okay? Yes. So what happened? Jangan bergaduh. Jangan bergaduh. Itu yang paling penting. Okay. Then also, you have alkaline. When it's an alkaline or base, it will ionize in the water, the presence of the water to form OH minus. OH minus. And also, you kena ingat, guys, kalau acid, H+. Sometime, my dear student, sometime hydrogen ion. Some reference book, dia tak cakap hydrogen ion. Dia cakap dia adalah H3O+. Iaitu kita panggil hydroxonium ion. Betul ke salah? Hydroxonium ion. Betul ke salah? Betul, Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing lah. Okay, yang OH ni adalah merujuk kepada alkaline. Dia alkaline, dia akan jadi hydroxida. Alia tak ada ke? Khalida, are you here? Khalida, Alia? Okay, daripada Terengganu. Okay, let's look at here, my dear student. Okay, kita ada this thing, Okay, your punya conversation semua dirakam, so akan masuk YouTube. Alhamdulillah. So, jangan bercinta dekat sini, Yes, Allah, Sarah jawab Islamicnya. Okay, let's look over here. Dengar sini. Okay, di acid pula, dengar. Jangan ni. You have a strong and a weak acid. You ada acid kuat dan acid lemah. Kalau dia acid kuat, what will happen? Tell me, my dear student. What will happen, my dear student? Tell me, if it is an acid, strong acid. Very good, my dear student. Ionize completely, Completely. Okay. Dia ionize sepenuhnya. Dia mengion sepenuhnya. This is the main thing. Kalau dia adalah a weak acid, my dear, dia hanya ionize partially. Dia mengionize partially ataupun separa. Guys, apa maksud ini? Apa maksud ionize completely and ionize partially? Tell me, what do you mean by this? Tell me, what do you mean by this? Apa dia sayang? Reversible. Reversible. Siapa yang suara sangat dahsyat tu? Okay, dengar sini. Kalau dia ionize completely, always remember, my dear student. Wah, amar ya. Okay, always remember, my dear student, you have high concentration of the acid. I'm talking about acid. Dia mempunyai kepekatan asid yang tinggi. Betul. Dia punya kepekatan ion hidrogen dia tinggi. On the other hand, kalau dia weak acid separa or partially, dia bermaksud dia pecah sedikit. Dia pecah sedikit. Oh, Alia dah masuk dah. Dia pecah sedikit. OH, Allah, OH minus pula. Dia pecah sedikit. I'm talking about acid H plus dia adalah sedikit. This is the main thing. H plus tinggi, H plus rendah. Guys, apa maksud dia? Apa maksud dia? Then you will notice yang this one always have a pH value low. Very, very low pH value. Maksudnya dia adalah strong acid. Sebab kau kena ingat, lagi rendah nilai pH, lagi strong the acid. Tapi on the other hand, pH ni pula akan tinggi. Bermaksud, it is a type of a weak acid. Dia adalah sejenis asid lemah. Are you with me? Are you with me? Okay, guys, screen capture this thing. Screen capture this thing. Amirul, Mat ada kat sebelah ke? Allah, baru nak excited tunjuk mengajar hebat dekat Mak. Okay. Apa ni Sarah? Okay. Maksudnya, what do you mean by maksudnya? Sarah, unmute and ask me. Okay, mau dia. Okay, I will give you an example ya. Apa maksud saya pecah sepenuhnya and also pecah sedikit. I will give you an example after this. Sometimes they use the word of dissociation. Dissociation. Dissociated. I will give you an example ya. But nevertheless, my dear, dah salin kan senang padam ni. Okay. Okay, as you can see over here, the question kan, how do I know is a strong acid or a weak acid? Macam mana saya nak tahu dia adalah satu acid kuat ataupun acid tu lemah? Macam mana saya nak tahu? If it is a weak acid, kalau dia adalah weak acid, always keep in mind ya, my dear student, kalau if it is a weak acid, dia mesti ada unsur karbon. It must have a carbon as the element. Contohnya CH3COOH. My dear, ini dipanggil sebagai ethanoid. Ethanoid. Guys, dia dipanggil sebagai ethanoic acid. Acid ethanoid. Okay? Ethanoic acid. Guys, kenapa ethanoic acid is a weak acid? In order to make you understand easier, dia ada unsur karbon. That's it. Dia ada unsur karbon. That's it. Untuk level kamu, level KSSM, it is okay. You know that, anything that have carbon is a weak acid. Boleh. Walaupun when you go to higher level, adalah some other assumptions we can make. Okay, kalau strong acid yang tak ada carbon, contohnya HCl, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, it is a type of a strong acid. So far so good? So far so good? Yes. Okay, so what happened, my dear student? Saya padam sikit, saya nak padam ni. Kena padam. Okay. Now, you look at here. Apa maksud, come back to Sarah punya question. Tadi Sarah dah tanya, what do I mean by a partially and also fully, Okay, Sarah, let's say I'm taking HCl. HCl. Sebenarnya saya dah ajar dah benda ni, Sarah. Okay, katakan I have a HCl. Maksudnya, Sarah, dia adalah strong acid. It will fully ionize. Maksud fully ionize ni, katakan ya, Sarah, let's say I have 10 over here. I have 10 over here. Apa jadi? Dia akan pecah 10H plus and 10Cl minus. Ini yang dipanggil sebagai fully ionized. Mengayon sepenuhnya. Dia mengayon sepenuhnya. Faham? Faham? Maksudnya ada 10 biji, 10 biji itu pecah. Sarah, am I answering your question? Am I answering your question? Yeah, okay, good. Kalaulah saya ambil, yang lain pun jangan diam ya. Kalau ada soalan terus tanya anak-anak. Let's say I'm taking ethanoic acid. Definitely is a type of a weak acid. CH3COOH. Sarah and the gang, yes, you are right, Jeremiah, you are right. Di mana, katakan I have 10 over here, dia partially ionized. Ramai yang salah, they thought what you know. They thought partially ionized ni, dia pecah separuh. Salah. Partially ionized ni bermaksud dia pecah sikit. Daripada 10 biji ni, guys, daripada 10 biji ni, mungkin yang pecah hanyalah 3. Therefore, it become, contoh CH3COO minus plus 3H plus. Guys, kalau dalam 10 biji, 3 pecah, berapa lagi yang tak pecah? How many not yet break? Berapa lagi yang tak pecah? 7 tak pecah, betul. Sebab itulah arrow dia two-way. Two-way bermaksud ada yang dalam bentuk ion, ada yang dalam bentuk molekul. Two-way. Two-way. Jadikan, guys, as you can see, antara HCl and ethanoic acid, yang mana mempunyai ion hidrogen yang lebih banyak? Yang mana yang mempunyai lebih banyak ion hidrogen? Which one have more hydrogen ion? HCl or ethanoic acid? Yes, sebab itulah tadi saya cakap, this one have more concentration of the H plus, this one have the less concentration of the H plus. Inilah jawapan dia. Yes, number of mole of the hydrogen in a strong acid will be more and the weak acid have a less. That is the answer. Do you understand or not? Any other question? Okay, siapa nak screen capture, you can do it now. Dah ke? Yes, soalan okay, counter pertanyaan dibuka. Okay, jap. Aina, you form 4 ke form 5? Form 4 Okay, very good. Sebab saya terkejut sebab you boleh tahu carboxylic acid and the group. Sebenarnya, you akan belajar benda tu form 5. Macam mana you belajar carboxylic acid group? Wonder lah. Okay. Okay, I already get it. How many of you are IG? Tell me. Selain Ain. How many of you are IG? Bukan IG tu Instagram ya. IG CSE. Oh, Roshan. Okay, lagi? Shaz Alia. Okay, guys, those are IG. Yes, you learn a bit at once. You not at once, you learn a bit more, but not really in deep. In KSSM, you learn much deeper. That's the main thing. Okay, so let's look over here. Okay, carboxylic. Okay, to answer Ain punya soalan, I will say yes, Ain. All carboxylic acid is a weak acid. Very good. All carboxylic acid is a weak acid. Okay, Jeremia. Okay, Jeremia, come back to your question. Dia tanya, Sir, ini ke yang berlaku dalam air? Ya, Jeremia, ini yang berlaku dalam air. Benda ini yang berlaku dalam air. Okay, any other question? Question. No? Yes? No, anak-anak? Okay, good. Screen capture benda ni dulu. Done? Okay, done. Very good. So, guys, ini adalah Alkisah pasal acid. How about alkaline? Kenapa? Sarah, kau jangan buat drama Korea dalam ni, Okay. Never mind, Sarah. We go one by one. Never mind. We go one by one. Okay. Okay. Sekejap. Apa ni? Apa yang tengah berlaku ni? Sir, the B salt part, sir. Apa ni? B salt? Korang jangan. Okay. Sabar je Ramia, one by one. So, yeah, I will come slowly. Okay, so what happened for the base, for the alkaline, it is almost the same story. It is almost the same story. Cerita dia sama je. Kalau dia strong acid, strong alkaline, macam NaOH. Kalau yang ni, NH3 weak alkaline. Kalau yang ni ada OH, dia dissolve in water, OH minus. Yang ni, dia dissolve in OH minus. So what happen? Kalau dia strong acid, you have a high concentration of OH minus. And this one have a low concentration of a OH minus. That's the main thing. So what happen untuk this thing for alkaline dia terbalik. Di mana untuk strong alkaline pH dia adalah tinggi, higher pH value. And also this one have a lower pH value. This is terbalik dengan acid. Because the bigger the pH value, the stronger the acid it become. Sure, understand? Sure, understand? Apa yang ialah? Okay, done. Done? Okay. Jap, ada soalan masuk Let me have a look. Amar is asking, how to determine a weak or strong alkaline from the molecule? Okay, Amar, I will answer your question accordingly. Wait, I will answer. That is the question. Amar, untuk strong acid, kalau you perasan Amar, dalam formula itu itself dah ada OH minus. Kalau it's a weak alkaline, it only will have a OH when you dissolve in water. It only will have a OH minus when you dissolve in water. That's the difference. Faham? Saya rasa saya pernah ajar benda ni masa kelas acid kita. Betul tak? Janganlah lupa. Bahaya. Jangan lupa-lupa. Pelajar baru tak apa. Okay. So, let's listen. Ahmad is asking question. So for a weak, the OH is from the H2O and the strong from the molecule. Yes, it is right. Ahmad? Yes. Okay. So can I proceed, my dear student? Can I proceed? Okay, guys, again kalau saya terputus kat sini, internet problem, you jangan gelabah. Tunggu saya datang balik. Okay? So, as you can see over here, saya nak padam sikit. Saya nak padam ni. Amirul, okay Amirul? Pergi tidur lah tu. Sekejap, saya call mak dia. Okay, tahu takut dia. Okay, I'm gonna erase everything. Okay, guys, do you still remember or not how to calculate the pH value? Sebelum tu. Okay, acid. Okay, acid pula. Acid for your information, we have 3 type of acid. Kita ada 3 jenis acid. Kita ada monoprotic, kita ada diprotic, and also kita ada triprotic. Guys, daripada nama itself, from the name itself, you already get some information. You already know. When I say mono, stand for 1. Di stand for 2. Tri stand for 3. Mana tahu lepas ni Amirul you kahwin 3, you cakap lah you trigamy. Kalau you kahwin lebih daripada 3, you panggil polygamy. Okay? So that's why it is referring to the number. So what happened? Contoh monogami, dia hanya ada satu H. Contohnya nitric acid. Contohnya what happened? Focus. You have HNO3. Khalida, are you with me? Mak Khalida siap teks saya. So, bila nak buat kelas? Khalida dah rindu ni. Betul tak Khalida? Ni, siapa dekat sini, sebelah dia sambil dengar ni, saya tengah mengajar, mak ataupun parents tengah duduk kat sebelah. Sambil dengar. Oh my God, Auntie, how are you? I miss you more than Khalida. That's the truth. Oh, ramai juga Hi sir, my mom also. Okay, to my mom. Okay, hi Mak Sarah. Love you guys. Moms memang love me. They know. I'm so cute. That's a... Megat, okay Megat. Haziq, Yasmin. Kena panggil budak-budak ni. Okay. Megat pun selalu cari saya kot. Okay. So let's look at a diprotic. Example of a diprotic adalah H2SO4. Okay. Farah. Okay. Kita panggil Farah ramai-ramai. Farah Akila. H2SO4. And dia... Yes, saya nampak dia gila kuasa sikit. Perempuan tu. 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Okay, 2H plus, and dia nampak tak? Kau nampak tak? Oh, saya ni kena ada 2H. Sebab itulah dia dipanggil sebagai digamy. So, mak-mak yang tengah duduk dengar saya punya lecture ni, kimia ni, kalau suami minta untuk didigamikan, kamu gummy bearkan dia. Okay? Saya sokong. Okay. Okay, let's look at that. Trigamy. Trigamy pula. Contoh acid trigamy, triprotic lah. Kenapa aku? Okay, triprotic. Example of acid triprotic, tell me. Phosphoric acid. Betul Farah You ada H3PO4. Phosphoric acid. Dia pecah, dia akan jadi 3H plus and PO4 3 minus. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, done. Okay, ini adalah classification of the acid. Classification of the acid. Siapa nak screen capture? Do it now, my dear humans. Do it now, my dear. Okay, my dear. I'm gonna erase this. 3, 2, 1. Akmal, okay, Akmal? Is Shazvi. Zin. Nurin. Sebab dia orang senyap. Ya, dalam kelas saya jangan senyap tau. Saya takut kalau saya senyap sebab saya rasa saya tengah cakap seseorang. Sarah, focus. Okay, how to calculate the pH value. Kalau nak calculate pH value, pH sama dengan, first of all my dear humans, my dear kakak-kakak, abang-abang, apa maksud pH? Jangan jawab. Kita bagi Amirul jawab. Amirul. Apa tu pH? Sebab yang lain tahu. Okay, siapa tahu pH tu apa? Cakap sekarang. Apa tu pH? pH stand for what? Apa dia? What is a pH stand for? Very good, Farah. Power of hydrogen. Sebab Farah pernah masuk dalam kelas saya sebelum ni juga. Power of hydrogen. Anak-anak sekalian, that's why if the question dia minta pH. Tapi soalan dia bagi NaOH. Ini acid ke? NaOH is acid or not? No, therefore you cannot calculate pH. You need to calculate first. You need to calculate what first? You need to calculate the pOH in the first place. Lepas tu baru tukar dia kepada pH. Dalam teori, saya dah pernah ajar. Siapa yang baru dekat sini, yang tak join kelas saya masa sebelum-sebelum ni, tolonglah tengok YouTube saya. YouTube saya ni, dunia akhirat semua dah ada dah. Ya Allah, dunia akhirat bolehlah kot. Nanti saya buat kelas agama dalam tu. Okay, let's look at that. You know, pH plus pOH is equivalent to, formula ni kena hafal, apa? pH plus pOH is 14. Very good. Macam mana nak kira pH, my dear? Negative log H plus, concentration of hydrogen. Very good, Amar. And also, pOH become negative log OH minus. So the moral of the story, the civic of the story, pendidikan Islam of the story, dia adalah 14 equivalent to, dia kan pH tambah pOH. Kamu gantilah benda ni. Then you get, what do you get? You get negative log H plus and plus negative log OH minus. Ini jawapan dia. Okay. Ini jawapan dia. You kena ingat ini. Wajib. Ingat sampai masuk kubur. Sebab lepas tu soalan dia lain. Dan apa yang satu? Yap. Suruhlah ramai-ramai subscribe. Nak tengok unbox silver play. Silver kena berapa subscriber Tahu tak? 100k? Aku tak tahu lah nak letak berapa, apa lagi dekat YouTube saya tu baru dapat 100k. Saya punya belum lagi 10k. Ya ke? Nanti saya cuba buat. Okay. Screen capture this thing. InsyaAllah korang doakan. Wow, very good. Hurry up. Amin. Cepat, screen capture this thing. Sebenarnya kan, I try to make our online class as fun as possible. Walaupun Jeramiah duduk dekat Melaka, siapa yang duduk kat Sarawak tu? Yang duduk kat Sarawak siapa? Kejap korang. Ada pula benda masuk.